Alright, babe. Explain the situation here.
These people ran out of everything for breakfast. I should have gone to Dunkin' Donuts and ordered a side of tater tots. If I go to your restaurant to eat, you better have all the fixings.
Why don't you just get French fries?
Because they don't have French fries either. You think we could borrow some tater tots? Because we ran out of everything in our restaurant.
Flight 119 with non-stop service to Puerto Rico.
How's your trip going? Get out of here.
Mira para allá.
¿Hasta qué hora? Hasta la 1:30.
Oh, ya saliste.
Ya salí.
We're here, JJ.
Ah, bueno.
¿Cómo estás, mi amor? Dame cachorrito, dame cachorrito.
Él va a abrir estas 3 gavetas. Él va a agarrar todos estos papeles aquí y lo va a tirar por el piso. The weights and the fan. Y después se va a trepar también en la sofá. Esto, he's gonna grab that. He's gonna stick his hand there hundreds of times.
You just think you're so GQ, don't you? You look at yourself like, check me out. I'm so handsome. Watch me drink my beer. Look at my muscles.
Ok, ya salimos.
Easy, boy.
Yeah, Ooh, tell abuela.
Watch your step.
Yeah.
This is a place that you either know about or you don't.
Limber. How do you even say limber in Spanish? Like, how do you explain that? It's like flavored ice? No, that's a piragua.
This one's yours, babe.
Guayaba. Weird. Good game, good game.
Go get it, baby. Whoop. You're good. You're okay.
You got a little scratch. This is a little boo-boo. Alright, let's get this kite going, AJ. This is our kite. There's many like it, but this one's ours. No, wait, hold on. No. Alright, are you ready?
Look at Dada go. What's Dada doing? You suck, man. What's wrong with your kite?
El color lo hice.
¿Qué pasó aquí?
El boo-boo.
De hecho, mi está empanado, I'm here. Ya come más saludable que yo. He eats more healthy than me. Broccoli, beans.
Tira fotos rápido. Just curious. Or you want me to carry him?
I don't care. Come here, big boy. We gotta go. Come on, babe. You're so dumb. Can you take a normal picture with your family, please? Can you? Do you just put that down for a second?
Yeah, but
You
yeah.
look dumb.
I look good, ¿verdad, mami?
We need photos without your camera in it.
Okay.